nonfiction series. And then now you can pick. Here are all the things that you can pick. So these are all nonfiction, all right? Or we can do countries around the world, yeah, if you want. And then okay, so now here are the leveled books. So you're going to look at the different Lexile levels. Do you have a list of the Lexile levels and all that? If you, I can send it to you. Okay, so here are all the books. So let's just do Kenya because we're in Africa. Let's do Kenya. So we're going to click on that. And again, I'm so sorry for the, okay, so this is level L. And then here's where you get the copy of the book. You always want to click on single-sided. Now, if a miracle happens and Miss Sonia buys a school account, Miss Ansha, when you go back to doing just the English, what you would do is you can print these and then give them to the kids. And it shows you how to do it. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Okay, so then what you do is you go over here. Now this one doesn't have all the information. Some of them have it all. This one doesn't. This only has the comprehension quiz. Okay, so this isn't necessarily one that we want to use as an example because it doesn't have all that stuff that we had before, right? But let's go back to nonfiction series. Let's do My Body, just because I'm pretty sure there's a lot in that one. I'm almost positive. And let's do My Stomach, because Miss Ria knows my favorite subject is food, always. Okay, so see this one there's the book, okay? There's a coloring book. There's a wordless book for your little guys. Then here's the vocabulary. Yeah, so this is all the worksheets. This worksheet here is your comprehension, your phonics, your grammar, right? And then it's telling you what skills are we covering. We're covering antonyms. So you can say this week, that's what we're going to do. Here are the discussion cards, and then here's the quiz. So you see, this is one of those that's really amazing. So now what you can do is you can add it to you can say new folder, and you can say nonfiction science. Well, I'm going to do science, right? Because then I know this, if I want to go there, I'll go there. Okay, and then that's done. So now it's saved. All right, now let's go back. So for your super low readers, you can try, other things. But let's just go. Close reading is really good for what I was telling you about, like all that learning and so on. Okay, so you get the idea. Okay, so now Miss Anja, woo, this is a long video. I forgot we were recording. Okay, so I'm going to